Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC B1228 is indicative of a malfunction within the outside air temperature sensor circuit, specifically referencing a short. This error code is relevant to the Honda CRV models manufactured between 2017 and 2022. The outside air temperature sensor plays a crucial role in controlling climate settings by providing accurate temperature readings, which helps modulate the vehicle's heating, ventilation, and heating. And air conditioning HVAC system. Located at the front of the vehicle, commonly near the grille, this sensor detects the temperature of the air entering the vehicle's cabin. When shorted, it can lead to incorrect temperature readings, affecting overall vehicle comfort. This presentation will delve into the troubleshooting steps necessary to identify and rectify issues leading to DTC B1228, ensuring the sensor and associated circuits are functioning as intended. DTC B1228 points to a short circuit in the outside air temperature sensor. The outside air temperature sensor is a pivotal component that measures the ambient temperature outside the vehicle. By relaying this information to the climate control system, it allows for appropriate adjustments to the HVAC system, thus ensuring optimal cabin conditions for passengers. Located typically at the front grille area, this sensor is exposed to external conditions, making it crucial for accurate readings. An issue in this sensor circuit can disrupt the HVAC's performance, leading to discomfort. Identifying this error involves checking the associated wiring and connectors for any signs of damage or faults. Identifying the underlying causes of DTC B1228 is essential for effective troubleshooting. One common cause is a wiring short to ground, where the sensor circuit mistakenly connects to the vehicle chassis, causing erroneous signals. Loose connections may also trigger this DTC, leading to intermittent sensor functionality or signal loss. Faulty components, such as a damaged outside air temperature sensor, can directly report incorrect temperatures or may not work at all. Each of these potential causes necessitates thorough investigation using diagnostic tools and techniques to isolate the issue. Understanding these possibilities helps in systematically addressing the core problems related to this DTC. When DTC B1228 is present, you may observe several noticeable symptoms. First, the outside air temperature sensor may report incorrect temperature readings, either significantly high or low, which can impact the occupant's comfort level. This improper functioning may lead to the HVAC system not responding correctly to user inputs, which can result in inadequate heating or cooling. Additionally, the DTC indicator lights will be active on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a malfunction related to the climate control system. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial for timely diagnosis, as they directly correlate with the functioning of the air temperature sensor and the overall climate comfort in the vehicle. The first troubleshooting step for DTC B1228 involves the initial verification of the issue. Start by clearing the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which resets all diagnostic codes and allows for fresh diagnostics. After clearing, switch the vehicle to off lock mode and then back to on mode. This action prepares the vehicle systems for a thorough diagnostic evaluation. Next, perform the self-diagnostic function using the HDS or directly through the climate control unit. This step will help re-establish a baseline reading of any error codes present. Upon completion, check for DTCs again to see if B1228 reappears. This process helps determine if the fault is persistent or if it may have been transient. The second step involves further investigation of the TAM line associated with the outside air temperature sensor. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off lock mode to ensure safety during inspection. Disconnect the climate control unit connector A, which contains multiple pins, and the outside air temperature sensor's 2P connector. This disconnection allows for a clear examination of the circuit's integrity. With the vehicle still in the off mode, check for continuity between two specific test points: the climate control unit connector A, number 11, and body ground. If continuity exists, this indicates a short to ground in the TAM wire, requiring repair to eliminate the circuit fault. If continuity is absent, further testing is required to identify the problem. In the third troubleshooting step, focus shifts to checking for shorts between the TAM line and the sensor COM line. Ensure the vehicle is in the off-lock mode, with the climate control unit connector A and the outside air temperature sensor 2P connector both disconnected. Conduct a continuity test between the climate control unit connector A, number 11, and the connector A, number 12, which corresponds to the sensor COM line. If continuity is present, this indicates a short circuit between the TAM wire and the sensor COM wire, necessitating immediate repair. If continuity is not present, the inspection would suggest that both the TAM wire and sensor COM wire are intact, leading to the next step in the troubleshooting process. The final troubleshooting step involves directly testing the outside air temperature sensor itself to determine if it is functioning correctly. This requires checking the output of the sensor while ensuring the wiring and connections are secure. If the sensor provides accurate readings within the expected parameters, it indicates the sensor is working properly, thereby necessitating the replacement of the climate control unit as the next course of action. However, if the sensor fails to deliver correct readings or is otherwise non-functional, replacing the outside air temperature sensor becomes essential. This component is critical for ensuring accurate temperature reporting to the climate control system, thereby serving to maintain passenger comfort inside the vehicle. After completing repairs related to DTC B1228, it is vital to perform a final verification to ensure all issues have been addressed. Start by clearing any remaining DTCs using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, which resets the codes. Following this, conduct a test drive of the vehicle to allow the systems to execute and calibrate in real-world conditions. During the test drive, observe the performance of the HVAC system to verify that the climate control settings function as intended. After the test drive, recheck for any reappearance of diagnostic trouble codes, specifically B1228. The absence of error codes post-repair confirms successful rectification of the issues, ensuring optimal operation of the outside air temperature sensor and associated circuit. To prevent the reoccurrence of DTC B1228 in the future, it's essential to implement a proactive maintenance strategy. Regularly inspect all electrical connections pertaining to the outside air temperature sensor for any signs of wear, corrosion, or loose fittings. Utilizing quality replacement parts during repairs ensures longevity and reliability of the components, significantly reducing the risk of future faults. Additionally, monitoring the HVAC system's performance can help catch issues early, allowing for early diagnosis before it escalates. Keeping the climate control system well maintained not only provides comfort, but also enhances the overall driving experience. An ounce of prevention certainly outweighs a pound of cure when it comes to vehicle reliability. In conclusion, DTC B1228 highlights a critical short circuit within the outside air temperature sensor circuit on the Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. Understanding this trouble code's implications is vital for effective troubleshooting. By following a structured approach through each diagnostic step, technicians can accurately pinpoint the root cause of the malfunction. It is essential to ensure that both the outside air temperature sensor and its associated wiring and connectors are functioning correctly to maintain optimal HVAC performance. through diligent repair and preventive measures, drivers can enjoy a consistently comfortable riding experience without the inconvenience of technical malfunctions impacting their vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!